Why meal prep? The benefits of planning ahead.
Meal prepping isn't just for fitness enthusiasts. It's a simple, effective way to save time, money, and stress. By planning and preparing meals in advance, you'll eat healthier, avoid last-minute fast food, and make portion control easier. Whether your goal is weight management or just convenience, meal prep helps you stay on track and enjoy more balanced home-cooked food throughout the week.
Step 1. Set your goals and plan your menu.
Start by choosing your meal prep focus. Are you prepping lunches, dinners, or snacks? Next, select recipes or simple meal ideas that fit your routine and tastes. Think about variety to keep meals interesting. Make a detailed shopping list based on your menu. Planning ahead reduces waste and ensures you have all the ingredients you need.
Step 2. Shop smart and stock up.
Head to the store with your grocery list. Stick to the outer aisles for fresh produce, lean proteins, and whole grains. Buy in bulk when possible. Consider frozen vegetables and pre-washed salad greens to save time. Having staples like rice, beans, and healthy oils on hand makes meal prep more efficient and flexible.
Step 3. Batch cook and portion meals.
Set aside a block of time for cooking. This can be as little as 1 or 2 hours a week. Prepare meals in batches by roasting, baking, or sautéing multiple servings at once. Use good quality containers to store individual portions. Label meals with the date and refrigerate or freeze as needed for freshness and convenience.
Step 4. Keep it simple and stay consistent.
Don't overcomplicate your first meal prep routine. Start with easy recipes and repeat favorites. Gradually experiment with new dishes as you get comfortable. Make adjustments to fit your schedule and preferences. Consistency is key. A little planning each week adds up to big results in your nutrition and daily routine.
Quick tips for meal prep success.
The clean as you go to save time at the end. Multitask by cooking grains while chopping vegetables. Invest in leak-proof containers for on-the-go meals. Keep snacks like cut fruit, yogurt, and nuts ready to grab. Remember, meal prep is about making life easier, so adapt it to work for you and enjoy the process.